Welcome to the Mind Duty. Today we bring about 7 secrets about men that most women aren't aware of. Accept it. In the pursuit of love and affection, you tend to be a bit selfish. That's right. It happens to everyone. You have big dreams and visions about what your ideal relationship will be like. You begin to imagine what your dream person will be and what kind of personality he has. It's natural for you to go through such processes and have these thoughts. However, have you ever stopped wondering what it would be like for a person in this situation? Of course, you know what you want and you know the struggle you have to face for love. But you might not be aware of the types of efforts that men go through to find love for themselves as well. You should not make the mistake of not taking the time to understand men. Remember that the more you know about male behavior, the easier it will be for you to connect with them. If you've tried your hand at love and romance before, it's easy to think that men have more control in relationships. Usually, this happens to women who have previously had their hearts broken by men. Many girls have been cheated on. And whenever they go through these experiences, they think that men typically call all of the shots. However, that is far from the truth. You should try harder to understand men and what causes them to tick. If you do not know where to start, this video will be perfect for you. Here are some secrets about men you might have never realized on your own. 1. They also have to put up with the risk of rejection. Many women like to play the role of victim whenever love and affection are denied. That's normal. It is okay to feel sad about being rejected. However, it is foolish to think that men should not suffer from rejection. Men have to put up with rejection a lot, considering that they're the ones who tend to make the initial approach in dating and relationships. Who are tempted to give initial access in romance and relationships. 2. They feel a lot of pressure to be kind to women. Men have always been kept to a high standard. They are continually being told that they need to conduct themselves like gentlemen. Yes, it should be so. However, it should not be so unfair to ignore how difficult it is. Sometimes, a man can be humiliated in such an insignificant manner by society for something that women would be forgiven instantly for. 3. They can't get dates that easily. Probably women should always wait for a man to ask them. This is especially true for women who are not forward or aggressive beyond their romantic feelings. However, that doesn't mean that men can get dates left and right. When a man refuses, it can be difficult for him to get confidence again that he needs to stay persistent in asking girls out. 4. They feel a lot of pressure to do everything on their own. Men have always been referred to as the stronger gender. It may be true in the physical sense due to biological and anatomical factors. However, that isn't still going to be the case in an emotional touch. Men are always encouraged to swallow their emotions and pretend that nothing is wrong. This can be very destructive to a person's mood. 5. They don't know how to relate to others, as well as women do. Women are more sensitive. This is connected with the previous item in this video. Since men are encouraged to be less emotional, then they don't get a chance to be in tune with the feelings of other people as well. This means that their interactions with others can be complicated. 6. They aren't aware of what women want. Men have no clue what women want. Sure. You will think that people do not understand you. But it is the same for them. Honestly, they don't even understand women. They are just as clueless as you would be. Naturally, it would be unfair to expect anything different from them. 7. They struggle with always having to take control of a relationship. Men are pushed into leadership positions in the relationship. However, not all people are built to be leaders. It can be dangerous for a man who does not have leadership qualities to carry such expectations from a woman. What do you think? Will you agree with these facts or need to add more? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. If you are interested in digging up about this kind of stuff, make sure to stay tuned with us.